I got the ball, I felt so good. I'll play all day in my neighborhood. Run and jump, pass and shoot. Basketball is what I do.
3-pointer. Ginunahan mo ako, Arjan, ha?
Siyempre.
Teka lang.
Step yung Cavite and Quezon City.
Oo.
Ito isa sa mga talagang inabangan ko sa Cavite. Hindi pa
I think,
ansa nila. Ang graded nila. Tingnan natin kung kasi marami rin silang assist eh. Para their last
two remaining sa ating first quarter. 4-point lead for Cavite City. Baseline jumper.
and maganda rin naman yung mga turnovers sa game dahil nga yung best teacher.
Yan. Oo.
Doon ka matututo. Pero speaking of matututo, Dino Serena.
Yes. Again, from 15 to shoot, they dump the ball down low. Up and under, and Argentina again. And Ocerin is the leading scorer for Cavite City this season at 10.6 points per game. They go down low, and the shot is
Keres, malakas din ang pangangatawan.
exactly 4 versus 5 matchup here. Cavite City by giving them the pass. So, of course, ang ating good friend here na si Arjan. Ginagawa naman niya.
Oo naman.
Of course.
Pastors.
First. Ano? The recipient of that kudos Keres pass. If they do advance, they will have the unenviable task of facing either Macabang
Dito kontra sa Quezon.
Cavite City sharing the wealth in Ocerin, leading or down low for any Cavite player.
38 or 37. Yun, ganon. Ganon yung minutes ko nun. Kasi wala, short rotation talaga kami that time. So, walang choice.